Men over 50, listen carefully. What I'm about to tell you is something most men get completely wrong, and it may be the exact reason nothing is improving. If you've been using baking soda alone, hoping it will fix your blood flow, your stamina, or your performance, stop. Because on its own, it's incomplete, and that's why you feel stuck. I see this again and again. Men who still have desire, who still have the mindset, who still want to feel strong and confident, but when the moment comes, the body doesn't respond the way it used to. It slows down, hesitates, or sometimes feels completely unresponsive. And that moment doesn't just affect the body, it affects everything. Confidence drops, energy shifts, a quiet doubt starts building in the background. You don't talk about it, you don't admit it, but inside you start asking yourself a question you never thought you would. Is this just aging? No, it's not. My name is Dr. Sofia, and what you're experiencing is not failure, it's chemistry, and chemistry can be supported. Most men think the answer is complicated. They think it must be prescriptions, expensive treatments, or something extreme. But the truth is far simpler than that. In many cases, the body is not broken, it is just not getting the right internal conditions to function the way it used to. And one of the biggest hidden factors behind this is blood flow efficiency. When circulation weakens, everything feels different. Energy drops, stamina feels inconsistent, and performance becomes unpredictable. But the deeper question is why this happens. As men age, the internal balance of the body slowly shifts. One of the key changes is in acidity levels. The body becomes slightly more acidic over time due to stress, diet, sleep patterns, and natural aging processes. That shift might sound small, but inside the body it creates real effects. One of the most important molecules affected by this change is nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is essential because it helps blood vessels relax and open properly. When nitric oxide levels are healthy, blood flows smoothly, oxygen reaches tissues efficiently, and the body responds with strength and consistency. But when nitric oxide production drops, blood vessels become less flexible, circulation becomes weaker, and everything from energy to physical response starts to feel reduced. Many men blame age directly, but the deeper issue is that the environment inside the body is no longer optimized for nitric oxide to function properly. And this is where something very simple becomes interesting. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, plays a role in balancing acidity. It doesn't fix everything, but it can help support a more balanced internal environment. When acidity is reduced slightly, the body can create better conditions for nitric oxide to function. That means blood vessels can potentially respond more effectively, allowing circulation to improve naturally. This is why some men feel temporary changes when they try it alone. But here's the important part: most people miss baking soda alone is only one side of the process. It prepares the environment, but it does not complete the mechanism needed for full effect. The second part of this process is citric acid. Now, this might sound surprising because citric acid is something most people associate with food, sour taste, or simple kitchen use. But when citric acid interacts with baking soda in water, a reaction occurs. This reaction produces sodium citrate, and sodium citrate is where the deeper effect begins. Inside the body, sodium citrate can help reduce oxidation, additive stress, and support better vascular function. It also contributes to improved flexibility of red blood cells, which is important because flexible blood cells move more efficiently through narrow vessels, helping oxygen reach where it is needed. Oxygen delivery is one of the most important parts of physical stamina and performance. When oxygen flow improves, energy feels more stable, fatigue reduces, the body feels more responsive. It is not about forcing anything, it is about improving internal efficiency. When baking soda and citric acid are combined correctly, they are not acting as random ingredients. They are creating a biochemical shift that the body can respond to. But this is where another critical factor comes in, and most men completely overlook it: timing. Timing is not optional here, it is essential. The body does not respond instantly because these changes happen gradually inside the bloodstream. In the first phase after consumption, the internal environment begins to shift. Acidity levels start adjusting and early biochemical reactions begin. After some time, circulation starts to feel more active as blood flow efficiency improves. But the most noticeable effects usually appear after a delay, not immediately. This is where many people make the mistake of expecting instant results and then assuming it doesn't work. In reality, the body simply needs time to process the change. The preparation also matters. The general approach involves mixing baking soda and citric acid in water so that the reaction can occur properly before consumption. The ratio is important because balance determines how the reaction behaves. When done correctly, the mixture fizzes and transforms into sodium citrate. This is then consumed, allowing the body to absorb and process it gradually. It is typically taken on an empty stomach or away from meals, so absorption is not slowed down, and it is usually timed ahead of when support is needed, rather than at the exact moment of need, because the effect builds progressively. It is also important to understand that this is not a forceful change. The goal is not to push the body beyond its limits. The goal is to restore a more balanced internal state so natural processes can function properly again. When blood vessels are in a better environment, when oxygen delivery is smoother, and when internal stress is reduced, the body begins to respond differently. Energy feels more stable, physical readiness feels more natural, and confidence starts to return not because something artificial is happening, but because the body is functioning with fewer internal restrictions. Another important aspect is consistency. One-time use is not the same as long-term support. The body does not rebuild patterns instantly. When supported over time, internal systems can gradually respond better. Circulation can feel more stable. Energy levels can become more consistent. But this only happens when the body is given repeated conditions that support its function. That is why many men who report improvement usually notice it after continued use, not just once. However, caution is also important. This mixture contains sodium, and it is not suitable for everyone without consideration. Men with blood pressure issues, kidney concerns, or sodium restrictions should be careful and consult a professional before use. This is not about fear, it is about responsibility. The goal is support, not harm. What matters most in all of this is understanding that what feels like loss is often not permanent damage. It is a shift in inner balance. The body is still capable of response. The systems are still there. They are just not operating in the same optimal environment they once did. And when that environment is supported, even in small ways, the body can respond in ways many men thought were no longer possible. So if you've been feeling like something is changing in your body, like energy is not the same, like response is not consistent, or like confidence feels lower than before, it does not automatically mean the end of strength. It means the system needs better internal conditions. And sometimes, the simplest things are the ones people overlook the most. Your body is still capable. It is still responsive. It is still listening. It just needs the right support to function the way it was designed to.